let's go outside.
Andy.
What? No.
You want biscuits, dogs?
This is a really bad position to be hiding in.
I know, but they won't get us out here because those other cats they don't like. Except that other one, the old one might come out because she loves cats.
Yeah.
Let's go back in.
Alright, I think I just broke my backbone.
She's coming!
I can't close the door in front of me.
Stupid dog! What do you? I feel sick.
Andy, don't die on me now.
The biscuit.
It's there.
Oh crap!
Just throw it away, throw it away.
What? You eat it again?
No! Andy! Stupid dog, get out! Get out! Stupid dog, get away!
It's a good idea eating the cookie, isn't it?
No, it's not.
I think I'm gonna poop it out.
Get out! Get out of here! Get out!